What's going on, friends? I've got this really cool trunk or treat or porch party in a box package. It was sent to me to review. I'm gonna open it up and check it out. This is like a scary monster. So it's supposed to come with eyes, fangs, a nose or nostrils, some balloons, some streamer. It's just like a trunk or treat decoration kit. So really cool. I'm gonna open it up, we'll check it out. Let's see what we got in here. Everything in here is waterproof also. So if you decide to put this on your porch or decorate your garage, it's gonna be fine. So that's everything in the package. We got some red garland streamer type stuff here. You got two of these. Okay, so we got a large pouch. We got some sticky circles to stick everything down with. There's 3 sheets of that. Got a little pouch of some black and red balloons here. Check these balloons out. Just typical balloon size, like party balloon size. So just close that up, put that to the side, and this is the main package. Also got some more of these stickies here, these square stickies. Little adhesive squares here. Got a whole pad of those along with these adhesive circles here. 6 of these plastic strips here. Not sure what they are for yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out here. Sit this over here. All right. We got these right here. I don't know if these are supposed to be horns or nostrils. Actually, these are teeth. Okay, yeah. All right, so these are teeth. You got more teeth here. So we'll lay these teeth out and check them out. Got a couple of straight teeth. Very cool. All different kinds of. You got huge teeth. I mean, you can really decorate your garage with this thing. You could go all the way across it and have a big giant monster mouth. Bunch of teeth. Here's an eyeball right here. Okay, we got some eyebrows right here. So that's just gonna kind of top that off right there. Another eyebrow and an eyeball right here. Okay, so those are gonna go together. And we got 2 nostrils. So you got a way for your monster to breathe. That's gonna be the nostrils. So you got nostrils, you got 2 eyes, and a bunch of teeth. So there's 2 really big teeth, okay? Then you got 2 medium-sized teeth, a little bit smaller there. And then you have a couple of straight ones like this, and then one like this. I don't know why we have one like that. So you can definitely create a really cool little atmosphere for your trunk or treat. You got some decorations, you know, you can put the eyes up. If you have your trunk open, you can put the eyes and the eyebrows up on the top of your trunk, and you can have the teeth on the bumper. You got some garland, you can kind of go around like the bracket for your trunk. And you got some balloons you can throw in there. So it's actually a really cool little idea. You know, it's an easy way to decorate for your trunk or treat things. I know there's a lot of people that do trunk or treats. There's a ton of them that go on in my area. A lot of times, you know, people do some really cool decorations, or there's people that just have candy in there and they're just handing out the candy. This is a really affordable way to get some cool decorations and really spice up your trunk or treat. Of course, this thing will be awesome on a garage door, openings at your porch, or just doorways. Really cool, little easy way to decorate and just give a little spice to an area. So we'll get these up and check them out. All right, so I have just went on the back of these and put these sticky squares everywhere I think it will need them. You can see I got the eye and the eyebrow together, or the eyelash, whatever you want to call that. But it just simply butts up to the eye, and then that's where you use these three plastic sticky things. They're only sticky on one side, so that's where you're going to attach your eyebrows to your eyes. I think they just did that for shipping purposes so they could get it in a smaller box. So yeah, just go through and put your sticky pads wherever you're going to need them. These right here are more of like a little silicone type of sticky thing. This is going to be good for like your car windows and stuff, or even windows at your house. Okay, well, here is an idea for a trunk or treat if you've got a truck, which is what I have. Just got the streamers kind of hanging. It's super windy and it's blowing all those around. Those stickies that hold on the eyes and the teeth and the nostrils, they actually work really good because it's quite windy and they're not getting blown off here. You can see they're moving quite a bit. And I've actually only used one on top and one on the bottom for this part right here. This is pretty cool looking. I like this for a trunk or treat. You got a couple chairs sitting on each side, a little bowl of candy here. Kids are gonna love to see this when they come through for a trunk or treat. And I love that you can do this for a truck, car, SUV. Of course, you can take the balloons and stick them on here. I'm just not going to do that right now because they're going to get blown off. Really like this thing. Super, super cute for a trunk or treat. These right here stick really good to a window though. And I just kind of use that middle tooth to line myself up. And then if you're going on a window like me and you have blinds, you can use the line across the blinds to get your teeth in the correct orientation to match all the way across. And I'm just going to put my nostrils right here on the top, the two eyes, and then I don't know, maybe I'll use that garland for like some hair across the top or something. But they do look great. The teeth look awesome. The nostrils and the eyes look really good. I love that it's a waterproof material. You can pull these right off, save them, and use them again and again for years to come. So looking pretty good so far. Okay, I've got the face all up. I went ahead and threw the garland in the corners just so it can kind of flap in the wind and draw your attention. It's a nice little easy way to decorate, especially for trunk or treating. I just wanted to get something up here just to give you an idea of exactly what this looks like. Material's great. The colors are really nice and vibrant. Pretty cool little way to decorate. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one.